No horseplay in the lab. Hey everybody, Professor Michael Scanlon here, coming to you with, I'm sorry, I'm going to just say this, something that really reeks. Cabbage. Red cabbage, to be specific. This actually turns out to be a really good indicator of a pH, that is a measure of the acidity or the baseness. Basidity? Drop the base. We're all about that base. Okay. It's a measure of, sorry, it's a good indicator for these properties of a solution. Okay, now to make this, you're going to need red cabbage. Try to get to the layers where it's actually nice and purple, and then cut it up and boil it. Now, if you can see, I don't know if you can see very well, I'll try. Here's the cabbage, and here's the cabbage after it's been boiled. Can you see that? It's just kind of, well, it's bled out. Where'd all the color go? In here. You boil the cabbage until the color bleeds out of the pieces that you cut up, and you're left with this nice purple liquid. That's your indicator, okay? So I've got an acid and a base here in my test tubes. Can you tell which is which? Well, no. They're both clear solutions. So I'm going to add some to, I need a little bit of room with this. I'm going to add some to my indicators, and we're going to notice a color change in our indicator. So this one is the acid. I'm going to put it in this beaker. Now notice it starts off purple. But it doesn't stay purple. It turns this beautiful bright red color. This one is a base, and I'm going to pour it in here. And it doesn't stay purple. Can you see it turns this yellowish honey color? So, how can I do this at home? How can you do this at home if you don't have a chemical lab at your disposal where you can put a strong acid or a strong base because you have them on hand? Well, you have a lot of cleaning solutions that have bases in them. Drain cleaner, we've talked about that. We'll continue to talk about that as we need bases. It's a very common thing. Ammonia. Acids, think vinegar, think lemon juice. So you make a pretty good batch of this stuff, and I didn't need these whole beakers filled to make the change. I just wanted it to be able to be visible. You just need a little bit, and you can test different compounds in your home to see, are they acidic, are they basic, are they neither, how acidic, do I get as strong a reaction? This is a phenomenal qualitative, not necessarily quantitative, but qualitative way to explore and investigate acids and bases in your own home. In addition to that, once you peel the outer layers off that I've been touching with my gloves and letting sit on the table, you got a healthy snack on hand. Good salad, cabbage rolls. I don't know if you use these for cabbage rolls. Egg rolls? Some kind of rolls? What do you use with a red cabbage? Let me know. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll see you next time, everybody. Until then, stay safe.